Good morning students. How are you all? Check out your English book. Page number 68. Lesson 9, the pot of soup. We will continue this lesson. It will be tasty if you give some food to put in it. Would you give some food? Said the bear. Now bear is saying to all animals that it will be tasty. यह बहुत टेस्टी होगा. What will be tasty? The soup will be tasty. Taste. T-A-S-T-E. Taste. Now taste. Tasty. It will be tasty if you give some food to put in it. In soup, if more foods means more vegetables are added to in the soup, that will be tasty. Would you give some food? The past form is will, would. क्या आप मुझे कुछ फूड दोगे? Said the bear. भालू ने बोला, Would you give some food? So the bird brought some wheat grains in its big red beak. Beak means the hard pointed part of a bird's mouth. चिड़िया का जो चोंच रहता है, that is called beak. B-E-A-K, beak. What is beak? The hard pointed part of a bird's mouth. चिड़िया का चोंच. So the bird brought some wheat grains. Wheat means गेहूं. How you will learn this spelling? W-H-E-A-T. Sun gives us heat. You know the spelling of heat? H-E-A-T. Before heat you will write W. So it becomes wheat. Bird brought some wheat grains. चिड़िया ने कुछ, some मतलब कुछ, wheat गेहूं, grains दाने, in its big red beak, बड़ा सा लाल चोंच में उसने गेहूं के दाने लाए. किसने लाए? Bird. Brought. Bring. The past form is brought. Bring is present form. लाया था. Brought. So the bird brought some wheat grains. Grains, G-R-A-I-N-S. You know the spelling of rain. In rain you first add G, it becomes grain. Grain मतलब दाने. So the bird brought some wheat grains in its big red beak. बड़ा सा लाल चोंच में उसने गेहूं के दाने लाए. Students, you should know each and every word. आपको हर word का meaning समझना चाहिए. And you should pronounce it correctly also. Okay? Now, the bear put the grains in the soup. Bear ने put डाला. Put मतलब डालना. क्या डाला? Grains. किसमें डाला? Soup. Understood? The bear put the grains in the soup. Soup में दाने bear ने डाले. Who brought the grains? Bird brought the grains. Why the bird brought the grain? To make soup. Okay? The soup grew thick. Grow का past form of grow is grew. G-R-E-W. Grow means उगना. The soup grew thick. Soup बहुत thick बन गया. Thick मतलब पतला नहीं है, थोड़ा गाढ़ा बन गया. Okay? The soup grew thick. Soup गाढ़ा बन गया था. An old rat peeped out from its hole. Peep means taking a secret look. चुपचाप से देखना. Peep. P-E-P-E-E-P-E-D. Peep. P-E-E-P-E-D. Peep. An old rat. बुढ़ा चूहा peeped out from its hole. अपने होल से, जहां वो रहता उसका बिल, अपने बिल से चुपचाप से देख रहा था. What are you cooking? He asked. वो पूछता है, आप लोग क्या बना रहे हो? Some soup, said the bear, stirring the soup. What the bear is saying? कुछ soup हम बना रहे हैं, said the bear, stirring the soup. Steering, S-T-I-R-R-I-N-G, steering. Ring, then steering मतलब एक स्पून से उसको हिलाते जाना. ठीक है, एक पॉट में उसने सूप बना रखा है, उसको हिलाता रहता है. That is called steering. Some soup, said the bear, stirring the soup. I am so hungry. What he saying? मैं बहुत भूखा हूँ. Give me soup, my friend, said the rat. What rat said? मैं बहुत भूखा हूँ, मुझे थोड़ा सा give me soup, मुझे सूप दे दो my friend, मेरे दोस्त, मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है, मुझे सूप दे दो. See the picture here the bird has brought the grains. Here snake is looking, cat is asking for soup. Now turn your page number 69. It will be very tasty if you give some food to put in it. अब बियर कहता है इट विल बी वेरी टेस्टी, सूप बहुत टेस्टी हो जाएगा अगर आप लोग मुझे कुछ फूड दोगे इस सूप में डालने के लिए. वुड यू गिव सम फूड? सेड द बियर. बियर कहता है क्या तुम मुझे कुछ फूड दोगे सूप में डालने के लिए? सो द रैट गिव चीज. वाओ, what rat brought? Rat brought cheese. Have you tasted cheese? क्या आप लोग चीज को टेस्ट किए हो, खाए हो? It's very tasty and it's very healthy. Winter is coming. All of you should eat cheese. Cheese with chapati or bread. Brown bread, not white bread. Brown bread के साथ खाना बेटा. So the rat gave cheese. The soup smelled good. जैसी चीज डाले सूप का स्वाद, खुशबू बहुत अच्छे आने लगा. Smelled, S-M-E-L-L, smell, past form is smelt, S-M-E-L-T, smelt. The soup smelled, सूप की जो खुशबू थी बहुत अच्छी आने लगी. Soon means जल्दी. Soon all the neighbors. What is neighbors? N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S. Neighbors means who is to the next of your door. आपके दरवाजे के बाद मतलब आपके घर के बाजू में जो रहता है पड़ोसी, that is called neighbor. How you will learn this spelling? First you know the spelling of R-O-U-R-R. And horse की जो आवाज है, the sound of horse is called knee, N-E-I-G-H. Knee, and between knee and our you will write the letter T. Finish. Neighbors. You have to split the spelling. Okay? Soon all the neighbors brought something to the bear to put into the pot of soup. अब क्या हुआ? जल्दी से, soon मतलब जल्दी से. All the neighbors, सारे पड़ोसी brought, लाने लगे. Brought something, कुछ चीजें लाने लगी. To the bear को लाके दिए. To put into the pot of the soup. उस सूप जो पॉट में रखा हुआ था उसमें फूड ला के देने लगे. There was a big red carrot. क्या ला रहे थे उन लोग? What they brought? Big red carrot. Carrot is गाजर. A pineapple, a white mushroom, and other fruits. Which food they brought? A red carrot, pineapple, a white mushroom. The soup was healthy because mushroom is very healthy food. Healthy. Carrot is also healthy. Pineapple is also healthy. So the soup will become healthy. The soup was healthy. Was मतलब हाँ. It's not present tense. It is past tense. The bear served it to his neighbors. Served. Another word is served. S-E-R-V-E-D. Served. Serve means परोसना, देना. The bear served it to his neighbors. The bear served the soup to his. उसने अब सूप को अपने पड़ोसी को दिया. Then he sat down. Sat down. Sit past tense is sat. Understood? Then he sat down. अब वो बैठ जाता है. कहाँ बैठ जाता है? नीचे बैठ जाता है. And had a bowl full of soup himself. अब वो क्या करता है? And had a bowl. एक बाउल पे पूरा एक कटोरा भर के उसमें सूप डालता है, खुद पी लेता है. Full of soup himself. How was the story? Do you enjoy, students? क्या आप लोगों को मजा आया? I enjoyed lot. मुझे तो बहुत मजा आया. Now your homework is that, students, you have to read this lesson at least 2 to 3 times. Why I am telling you to read this lesson? Because you have to learn each and every word and each sentence you should learn. आपको हर sentence you should know. आपको हर sentence समझ में आ जाना चाहिए. Then only you can solve the exercise, fill in the blanks, true, false, question answer. You don't have to learn it. फिर आपको याद करने की कोई भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. So first of all, read the lesson thrice, 4 times, 5 times. जब तक समझ में नहीं आता तब तक उसको पढ़ना है. Okay? And write difficult words and its meanings in your copy. In next class, I will discuss exercise. So first read the lesson, then only we can solve the exercise. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.